Listen and practice. The invisible writer. I was once a writer. I wrote books. I write now, however new, one knows. Nobody can see me now. Something Ganarsals, ofto me. I will inform you about it. In January I desireto write a very lengthy book. So I left my domestican. I discovered a little room. This is excellent room for a write. I thought, I'll write my book here. It was once a little room, however, preferred it. It was on very quiet. I started to work on my bookhand. I was on happy. Then matters comments happen, strange things. One day, I used to beat my desk with my pen in my hand. Suddenly I thought, I favora, espressen de havi not botany. I'll have to go to the shop. I put my pen on thetascand. Went out. When I get here back, irregardifer, the pen, it wasn't on the table. Read in the floor on my chair, and then on thetascagan, it wasn't. There, I do not recognize it, I thought. That night, every other peculiar componenthepin I used to bane matressen the room was on very quiet. Suddenly opened my eyes. What was onset that? I wondered. Then I heard a voice, a man's voice. Who's there? I cried. There used to be no answer, and there was Oncino in the room. I called no to prehend it, and I was oncy afraid. What can I do? Thought. What was onset that? After that, Admater secured each day, but I had toned me book, so I stayed there. The room was on very small. There had been no longer many materentit, solalia, bed, adiscanda chair, and there was oncy a replicate on the wall. It was oncy a very historic mirror, and I appreciated it. And then one day irregarden there reflectant, initiatum, the different man. It wasn't me. This man had a beard, however, didn't. I shut my eyes and appeared again. This time initiated me face in the mirror, that did nothapen. Inoceanius on Surong. There wasn't any other man. I went for a stroll that day, and it did not work on my book. It did not deserito be in the room. It did not deserito see or hear ordinary things. At night Timai went domestican. The room was on very quiet. Irregarden thereflectin, no to said me face. However wasn't happy. I went to bed, however cold. Not sleep. I'll go away heritumero I thought, and after that I slept. But the nevri author abnormal cunt happened. The different men stood by, using my mattress and spoke to me. You will in no way go away here, he said. You will continue to be with me. And then I opened my eyes. I used to, bevery bloodleased afraid. I'll go away no, I thought. I cannot tremenirith herefore, ani extraminute. Quickly put my matters in a case. I desireto go. Now I cowled, not neglect thee man. So I used to be afraid, but afraid of what? It did not be aware of when migerments had been in the case. And no chenille go away room now. Irregards ferical room and additional epedian, thereflectigan. And then Isle of sudden felchally and grutera afraid. I cowled not see the different man in the mirror. Why? Because he wasn't there, but I cowled not see my face in the mirror. There was no face. Why not? I tried to shout, however no sound came. I had no voice. And then, inotisi, inoticid thiefintarm, the man with the beard, but he wasn't in the mirror. He was on seat thetisk with my pen in his hand. He wrote my book with my pen. I was once indignant and I tried to speak, however cold, not due to the fact he had no voice. The different man did not speak. He smiled and wrote. Suddenly, there was oncy a sound at the door, and I heard a friend's voice. Are you there? Me butticled. It preferred to see you. I was once very completely satisfied. Then, I'd walasita, in my thought. But I called not move. The different man went to the door and opened it. Come in, Hesta Tedto. My friend, come and see my room. I'm writing my book. My pal got here into the room. However, he did not see me. He smiled at the different man. Mibutta said, oh, you have a beard. Noance Marindance More tried to speak, however he couldn't. Mibadikald not see me, heckled nothier me. Hazoli not a Scythian drithered. That is my story.